Reader, Monster Energy, and many others.
Hi, Battle Band's here.
Helping out today.
This is gonna be fun.
Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life into the light of the
How do you like it so far? I got a headache from the screaming, but it's awesome. Brooke! We're waiting for John. He's in the John. John's in the John. I said you probably can't hear me. What? You probably can't hear me. Now I can. In a pitch black room with creepy music going on in the background.
Oh, we'll find a light switch. I just don't want it. Why don't you guys hold the door? I'll look for the light switch.
Alright, till you hold. Where did he go?
Sounds like for a wedding.
What the heck? Where'd he go?
He's probably in the door.
I told you. See? Knew you were gonna do that.
Okay, you guys come in. It's really cool.
You need to shut off the light.
Yeah, you guys should come in. Just
No.
sure.
That boy has problems with opening doors. Are you coming? What are you doing?
I got you.
You drop your phone.
That creepy.
Jeez, what are you doing? Where did he go? Well, John's being his normal self, and he wanted to walk down this hallway for no apparent reason other than it looked like a mental hospital. Fine. I mean, that's what everybody wants. Kind of looks suspicious that I have a camera. Just run away. You know, that could work.
You know what he means?
I do. That is stupid.